Buka Stew, Buka Stew, Buka Stew, Buka Stew. So guys, today I am finally preparing Buka Stew. Buka Stew is so delicious. If you don't know Buka Stew, walk into any buka and ask them you want Buka Stew. Buka Stew is made with rotten tomatoes, awarawa. When you go to the market, you see some women will come and say they want awarawa, awarawa. Most of them want to go and prepare Buka Stew. But if you prepare rotten tomatoes for your children, they will not want to eat. So I am not using awarawa for my Buka Stew. So you can see on the table what I use to prepare my awarawa. I have my tomatoes here, my onions, then I'm using Shomgbo, fresh Shomgbo and dry Shomgbo. The dry Shomgbo, I have to wet it overnight to get softened. So I'll be adding it to my tomatoes. I'll be using some ginger and some garlic to blend the tomatoes. And of course, we have our tomato paste. We are using curry and thyme. There is no Buka Stew without egg. So I'll be using some egg, then some fried mackerel fish, chopped onions, bouillon cube, oil, and vegetable oil. Some people normally bleach their own oil when they want to do their awarawa stew. Some people use only vegetable oil, but today I'm going to mix vegetable oil and palm oil for my own Buka Stew. The first time I went to the West, where I went to work, we went to the Buka during lunchtime to eat. And they said, some people were ordering for rice and stew. When they brought out the stew, I was like, why is this stew so oily? Why is there all this intestine and what in meat? Those are to be thrown away. They were laughing at me. They said, this is what makes up Buka Stew. So we are going to be using shaki, cow tripe, cow skin, which is a kanda, pomo. They'll be using some beef, then the egg and the fish. That is what is making up our Buka Stew. So guys, the meat is already on the fire cooking. So just add the spices so it will cook very well before we continue. So you can see in the pot I have shaki. In the pot we have shaki, we have kanda, we have roundabout, we have abodi, then we have pomo. So guys, I'll just season the meat now and let it keep boiling. I had to start boiling in time because of the kanda that is very hard. So I like to be soft, very soft. So this is curry powder and this is thyme. You don't need all those orishi in this stew because it is kind of local stew. Then this is the onions I'm adding. Then I'll be adding some salt. Then I'll add water so it will keep boiling. So guys, while meat is boiling, let me blend the tomatoes. So this is the dry Shomgbo, the wet dry Shomgbo. Then this habanero pepper, like I said, always put pepper to how you can taste. Then this is Shomgbo. I took out the seed, so I don't want it to be bitter. You can use red bell pepper, you can use tatashi, but I'm using this Shomgbo. I took out the seed. Then the onions. Then I have just thumb size of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. I'll be blending with. Remember, this is local Buka Stew, so you don't need all those English seasoning per se. But if you cannot get awarawa tomatoes in the market, you can make your own awarawa. So my people, the meat is cooked. I now took it out from the pot, took out the meat from the meat stock, then let the cooking begin. So this, our Buka Stew, you need much of oil to fry because you don't want it to have that sour taste. After you are done cooking and you see that the oil is too much in the pot, you can scoop it out, but you just need too much oil for this. So I'll just add the palm oil now. Then I'll mix in some vegetable oil. Some people do bleach theirs, but I'm not going to be bleaching mine. This will take it to another level. So the oil is hot now. I'll add in our onions. Allow it to saute for like 2 minutes. So I'm adding in the tomato mix now. I'll allow it to cook. Allow it to cook very well. So you can see the oil we have here. Don't panic, kitchen police. If it's too much, I'll scoop it out. You can see the tomatoes is boiling, so now I will add in our tomato paste. Guys, if you like the face of this stew, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Keep liking, keep sharing, and please give this video a thumbs up. Our Buka stew is almost getting ready. Yeah, Bola, please give me rice 15 naira, beans 20 naira, pomo shaki, about the roundabout, and one shaki. Put it for me. That is what I want to eat. That is what you hear when you go to joints where you have a Buka stew. This is what I'm having in my kitchen today. So I'll cover the pot and let it boil some more, so the tin tomatoes will cook very well and it doesn't have that sour taste. Our Buka stew is still boiling, so I'll add the seasoning now. I'm adding cube and I'll add curry. This is the only thing I'll use to season this our stew. Then now I'll add the meat stock. Then I'll add in the meat so it can take all the flavors from this stew. Wow, this Buka stew is really turning out very, very well. You can eat this with rice, you can take it with yam, whatever you want to take it with. Feel free, feel free. This is our Buka stew. So I'll add in some salt now and let it keep boiling. Do you like what you see? Do you like what you are seeing here? Tell me you like it. Tell me you like it. Our Buka stew is almost ready. So I'll add in the egg now, because no egg, no Buka stew. The egg will just absorb all the juice now. This is the authentic Buka stew. I also have fried mackerel fish to add to this. It's coming last so that it doesn't scatter in the pot. Get your plate of rice ready. Oh, get your plate of rice ready. Whatever you want to eat with this Buka stew, just get your plate ready. If you want to collect something from your oga, I pray that you can prepare this stew for him. I bet you he's going to grant you your wish. Yeah, Bola. Yeah, Bola, oh, give me rice. Abodi 2, shaki 2, pomo 1, egg and fish. That is what you hear in the Buka. And this is the stew. So guys, let this stew boil for the next 3 minutes and we are good to go. I'll turn off the heat and get my hot plate of rice. So my people, this is after 3 minutes and our buka stew is ready. The aroma in my kitchen is so nose blocking. I can hear my neighbor knocking again. No, I think she wants to come and ask me what I'm cooking. So guys, I'll turn off the heat now. Let me get my plate of rice ready. I'll see you. So guys, now I'm at Bola's place. I've told her to give me shaki, abodi, kanda, fish and egg. That is what I want to eat now. So guys, this is our soup. You can see. Are you seeing our buka stew? The real authentic buka stew. Bring your spoon if you want to join me, because me, I cannot wait for this food though. I'm so very hungry. I ordered my rice and my beans. Oh, my mouth is salivating now. Authentic buka stew you can ever taste. Wow, this is super duper delicious. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Guys, you need to try this. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Let me go and enjoy this thing. Bye bye.